My landscape paintings, I paint in plein air. That means going out into the wilderness, maybe for days on end, surviving, collecting ideas. The painting on plein air in Scotland is a big challenge because it's quite a wild climate. Very high winds, can be very cold. This painting here, for example, is called Three Views of Stob Corrie Screamach. That's a mountain in Glencoe in Scotland. And I hiked up one day, camped overnight, and I laid out the canvas over rock, and I painted rock and rock, in the sense that a lot of the block colours here are actually done by a stone on top of a very rough surface. And the line here is very delineating, and that was actually done by a tree branch. This day was really, really cold. My hands were frozen, the paint was frozen, so I had to improvise to get the paint on the canvas, also to get the canvas off the hill in some reasonable shape. But what you do get is this very kind of abstract, sort of mottled colour, and you get this sort of mix which I quite enjoy with different textures and the different lines and the contrast with the colours. So that's what I like to do with landscape painting. This painting is called Carnby, which is a mountain in the Cairngorms, which is in the central part of Scotland. It's a very high plateau, and this was done in autumn, so very rich, very red colours, which happens when the heather blooms. Is one day when I was hiking on what's called the Totteridge Ridge on the Skye, and I've named it Dark Clouds Over the Totteridge Ridge. What you can't see in the painting is how windy that day was. The wind was coming from right to left, that's east to west, and one of the challenges in this painting here was actually to complete a painting in very high winds.